Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall simple makeup look. I barely used any colors. I only used 2 colors on my eyes and just simple face makeup, just pretty glowy, bronzy for fall, and just a little like nude peachy lip to go with the eyes. So I think for today's video, I'm just going to be doing the eyes, cheeks, and lips on camera. I'm just going to come back with my brows and my complexion already done just because it's kind of the same old thing. And I just wanted today's video to be a little bit short since I have been gone for a hot minute. I had actually moved. You guys can probably tell based on the lighting and the new background, just kind of like a cream paint that we have on the wall behind us instead of that like more like navy cool tone blue. I hope the lighting is okay. Let me know in the comments if it's okay. I think it is based on the viewfinder, but when I go to edit the video, it might be a little bit different. Sometimes it is different, but I hope it's okay. I think the makeup really turned out with the lighting, so that's good so far at least. But yeah, I moved. Me and my fiance actually moved into a new apartment together, and we're on the first floor, and I have like a window over here but like a little bit in front of me as well, so that's like coming onto us too. But that's the only window we have in here, so it's not like too much lighting, and I don't know if I'm always gonna film during the day, but I'm finally gonna be able to get on a like schedule for filming. I'm gonna film on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I think, or at least have like the videos come up Tuesday and Thursday night. I might like film them, you know, on different days, but I think that's what I'm gonna do for now, just like the 2 videos a week. But I'll be able to like film while he's at work on Tuesdays and Thursdays evenings. He works second shift like all week, so that's gonna be my time to film, and that way I'm not like too loud for like anybody and nobody's like home and making noise while I'm trying to film. We do have people right above us, but they're pretty quiet, so I don't think we're gonna have any problems with it. So yeah, if you guys like the look, then go ahead and just keep watching. Alright, so I have like my complexion on and then also my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna be doing my eyes, cheeks, and lips for you today just because I feel like I always do the same thing with like foundation and concealer and my brows, especially my eyebrows. I always use the same product. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow with the clear brow gel from them as well. And then for my foundation, I used the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've really been liking that because it looks really good throughout the day. Like if any of your natural oils kind of break through your skin, it just kind of looks really nice. And rather than looking oily, it kind of looks a little bit dewy and it looks really pretty. And then for concealer, I used the Born This Way from Too Faced. I really like it. I usually use Heart Shape Tape, but I just wanted to switch it up today. It's also a full coverage. And then for my powder, I used the Pretty Vulgar setting powder, and I'm just baking a little bit under my eyes, more for just a little bit of highlight, and then on my chin and just on the sides of my nose as well. So I'm actually just gonna go right into my bronzer for you guys. So I'm going to be taking the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. I really love this one. Mine's just a deluxe size, but once I'm out of it, I'm definitely going to repurchase it. It kind of has a little bit of a luminous finish to it, which I really like, and it's pretty neutral, so it kind of looks good on me all year, which is nice as well. And I'm just going to be taking it right on the cheeks. Putting it kind of all over, not really contouring with it. I'm not really going to be doing any contour today. Just want it to be really simple, but just a little bit bronzy, you know? I hope the lighting's okay. I think it's okay right now. At night, the lighting will probably be even better because I'll just have my ring light, which I have on right now, but it gives really good like not too warm, not too cool like lighting. And then I also have a window in here as well, but the window is this way. I wish it was like in front of me, but how we kind of had to set up like our bed and the TV, the only spot for my vanity was on this side, which is totally fine, but hopefully it's okay. But it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now, so is pretty bright outside. And then for blush, I'm taking this one from e.l.f. This is Candid Coral. Just looks like that. It's kind of like a peachy pink. It's pretty light and has a little bit of shimmer to it, so it's really pretty. And with that blush, I'm just taking a Morphe M435, just like a big angled blush brush, and just putting it kind of just like on the same spot as the bronzer, just a tiny bit higher. And I like to blend it all the way to the hairline. It's just like my style. And a lot of people like only do it right here or like bring it a little bit closer to their nose, but if I bring it too close to my nose, I feel like I look just a little bit too like rounded, so I kind of like to bring it back. It makes my face like a little bit more angular. And then I'm actually gonna bake under there really quick using that same Pretty Vulgar powder. And this sponge is from Morphe. I don't necessarily love it for like foundation, but for baking it's awesome because it has that like slanted edge. You get like a really nice sharp line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of highlight. So I'm taking Becca's Champagne Pop. I'm almost out of this, you guys. Like, I know I've been saying that for like previous videos, but it's seriously almost out. Like, I just have the edge left. I do have a backup, so don't worry, but I don't want to waste any since I love it so much. And I'm just using a fan brush from e.l.f. to kind of like lay it down first. And then I'll probably put something else on top. We'll just see how it turns out. It's so pretty alone. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. But I love mixing highlights. I do the same thing. Like, I love mixing bronzer, highlight, blush, and like eyeshadows, obviously. And then I bring it just down the center of my nose on the Cupid's bow. And then just a tad on my chin. Not too much on my chin because I do have a little breakout down there, so I don't want to bring like too much attention to it. And then I'm going to take the glow kit from Anastasia, the sugar one, and I'm going to be taking these two and just mixing them together. And that is Starburst and then Marshmallow. And we're just putting this right on top of the Champagne Pop. And then before I do any eyeshadow, I'm going to take a Marshmallow and put that right under the brow bone. And then eyeshadow, I'm actually just going to be taking the Colourpop Yes Please palette. Today, I just want to do something a little bit fall, a little bit simple, but still pretty like cute and stuff for work. So I think I'm going to start out with a yellow, which is Mischief. And then maybe this one, which is Louie. And I'm just gonna put it right above my crease, just to make a good transition for us. And then I'm just taking that orange shade. And with this, I'm just taking a brush from Morphe. I got it in a set, so, oh shoot, never mind, that's a shimmer. I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is GNO. And I'm just gonna put this one more into my crease and just blend it in with that yellow. And then I'm going to blend out the brown with the yellow, but I'm going to add some black eyeliner first in the waterline. I'm sorry, I always go off screen when I do that. Alright, and then I'm going to go back in with that yellow from the palette and just blend out that lower lash line a bit. And for mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Absolutely love this stuff. And then I think I'm going to add lashes too. And then I'm going to pop some lashes on. These ones are Cocoa Lashes, and I believe the style is 9 to 5, but I could be wrong. They're either 9 to 5 or Gigi. The styles are very similar, and I don't keep them like in their boxes that they come in, so I could always get them mixed up. But I know I ruined one of the pair because I had them in my pocket because I ripped them off one night and just stuck them in there because I wasn't home, and they got like all like folded and messed up, so I think they're 9 to 5 though. And then I'm just gonna wipe off this bake that I have going on. Okay, so I actually decided to put on my lashes before I did my lips just because the glue was starting to get tacky. So I just went ahead and popped those on off camera. They're not the best, but they look okay. I think they look really good with the like eyeshadow though. I'm actually going to take Apricot from Kylie Cosmetics for a lip liner. And then for lipstick, I'm taking Skinny Dip from Tarte from their Rainforest of the Sea collection. I think these lipsticks were like Color Splash or something like that, and I loved them. Well, I still do, but I'm not sure if they're like available anymore. Alright, and then I'm just going to do a little bit of setting spray. This one's just the MAC Fix Plus. Just going to take away a little bit of that powderiness. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I know I really like it. I wasn't really sure of what I wanted to do today. I just wanted to do something a little bit warm, a little bit more simple because I didn't have like a whole lot of time to do like a crazy eye look. But I really like how it turned out. And the highlight looks really good. And I don't think the lighting in here is too bad. I was really worried about that when we moved, but it's not too bad. So yeah. If you guys liked the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified for my future videos. And I hope you guys have a good day. And leave me a comment down below what other kind of makeup looks you want to see from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!